I'm Peeya Sharma, Principal, Ran International School, Faridabad here, and I would like to wish a very happy Independence Day to the million eyes of EDU TV. And as we are here celebrating our 78th Independence Day, I'm glad to share here that the theme this time is Viksit Bharat. Yes, and that's where we are going to be talking about and reflecting about what are the developments that we are looking forward for the next few years, that is till 2047. And I'm proud to say that we've gone a long way with all the sacrifices that our freedom fighters have done for them. So this particular day, special day on 15th August, is a tribute to each one of them there. And I think as citizens of India, we really need to cherish and value the freedom that they've given us, and to ensure that we live up to their sacrifices, what they've done for us. We really need to work hard for a developed India. So looking forward to all of us there, citizens there, working for a Viksit Bharat. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.